you guys comment that you want me to do some hobbies, okay. Good. We'll be on your hobby. Just a few seconds. And we're in the Escape the Amazing Kitchen Obby. And if you guys are the one that commented below the description that you are watching right now, please do not comment any obvious again. Although you can comment if you want. Okay, so on easy mode it takes multiple hits for us. On hard mode, consideration. I'm not pretty good at hobby. Easy. What? Oh, my Arches Bobby T-shirt. Where are you? We're just a strawberry. Oh, I don't want this. I hate strawberries. Like, for some reason. Can we change, please? Okay. No, I want something. Can I say premium? Oh, premium. I don't want premium. So let's see. Go. Yes. Ew. Hey you. Hey. Oh no, the milk. Ew. Expired milk. Oh, why do they serve in hobbies? Ew. Oh, level 2. Ew, that cheese looks moldy. Yeah, it looks pretty moldy. Okay. Oh, jump. Oh, okay. Level 3. Body soda can. Oh. And on the popsicles. It's cold in here. Use the popsicles. That's good. Ooh, and we're on stage 4. Okay. We're on stage 4. S'mores. But where's the chocolate? Oh, I hate this. Oh, wait. What? I died? Wait, what? What I think? I'm confused. Wait. Okay. Wait, oh! What? Come on. Okay, again. Definitely this time we're gonna. Oh no! It's so laggy! Ew! This is so laggy! Okay. Oh, I hate crackers. Okay, here, and here. Level 5! Bananas! Bananas! Here we are. Level 6! Oh, the pin. Hey! Oh, wait. This is not really hard. Actually, it's not hard. For me. Okay, here. Level 7. Watch out, there's pudding in my drawers. Cool. Okay. Oh, okay. Sorry. Okay. Oh. Why did I die? Okay. What? Oh, I didn't die. Oh, cool. I didn't die there. Okay, good. Okay, I died again. I'm not good at all. See you on the next stage. Hey, can't. We are in the stage, which contains soda can. And I died. Yeah. I do not care if I die in obbies. No, oh no. Okay. Just a single bit. Oh. This. Oh, wait. Let me do this. Okay, I got it. Oh! This is not safety for you guys if you do this at home. It's not good. And it's not cool also. Okay, what? Ow! Okay. Pop, pop, pop. Up to the top. Okay. Also, wait, how do you, what? Oh, so we need to stand on the balloon? I'm not sure if you guys call it balloons or not. Okay. This is just so hard. Okay, try this. Do not try this at home. That stage that you put your knife on top and it has the like self-shopping mode. Do not do that, please. It's dangerous. Okay. Okay, it's so hard. And I'm on stage 11. Time to think outside the box. Okay. Buy super sale. Beat the level without skipping. Okay, 15. I don't want any 15 bucks. Thank you. What do we do? Okay, I'm confused. So what do we do next, huh? Oh, here. Oh! Oh, I know this. Okay. Okay. This is too dangerous. Ugh. Okay, stand here. Oh no. Okay, so you need to stay in the box, and that is pretty hard to do this. Okay. The challenge is over here. The challenge is over here. Yes? Ow! Oh, wait, what? Okay. Yes! And we are here. So easy. Level 12. That is just past this stage because I think it's gonna use time. Bye. Bye. Okay. So easy. Oh! Sorry, it's a mistake. Sorry. Okay. Okay. I shouldn't touch the bugs or spiders. I guess. Okay. Okay. Now 14. Okay. It's amazing how much I love cereals. Ew! What the? Zombie guts! Ew! Free medical waste! Ew! Disgusting! Ew! Ew! Is it a maze or what? I think it's a maze. Okay, let's do this! First thing. Okay, I feel like it's a little maze. For me, like maze. Okay. We're nearly in the exit. Okay, where's the exit? Please let me have the exit, please. Okay, exit. Okay, how do you get out of this thing? Okay. Why is this so hard? Jeez. Okay. Oh wait, how? Can you help me, please? Okay. How do you do this? No one's helping me. Ow, I'm getting headache. Why is it so hard? Oh, I'm tired of playing all of these because of this. Oh, skip stage. Please. Oh, stage. I want the stage. I want level 3, whatever. I failed. So, bye. See you guys. Oh.